Should I hold the foot from the outside or from the inside in dancer's pose? I posted a video a couple of weeks ago to teach you the mechanics of dancer's pose, and I held the outside of my foot in that video. And I got tons of comments from people saying, but I thought you were supposed to hold the inside of the foot. So which is it? Let's talk about it. The truth is, there is no single right way to practice any yoga pose. Different yoga styles and lineages are gonna practice and teach poses slightly differently. So if you've been taught to hold the inside of your foot, you're right. And if you've been taught to hold the outside of the foot, you're also right. So how do we choose which one to practice? Your teacher will most likely cue you one way or another in class. And if you're a teacher yourself, consider that this is a sequencing choice. If you're moving your class towards backbends, like Camel Pose, where we have the shoulders typically in external rotation, turning the thumbs behind us, then grabbing the inside of the foot in dancer would make more sense. But if you're building your class towards shoulder extension without external rotation, for example, if your class has had a focus on a pose like bow, then we would want to grab the outside of the foot. So this is less a question of which is the right way, but where are you going in your practice? What is this class focused on? And which one do you prefer? Grabbing the inside of the foot is gonna stretch your pecs more. Grabbing the outside of the foot is gonna stretch the front of your shoulder more. Where do you need the stretch? Let that be the way you practice it.